Amit sir, thank you so much for talking to AC Update magazine.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you.
Good to see you here, sir.
Same here. Thank you. Same here.
Sir, last year was actually eventful for most of the verticals in India, especially when you look at construction and infrastructure. How do you see that elevator industry is getting evolved?
So I think elevator industry is doing very well. So elevator industry is directly linked to real estate. Real estate is directly linked to the economy. Economy is doing well. We've seen a good GDP. So real estate is doing well. Therefore, the elevator industry and escalator industry is also growing. A lot of residential projects coming up. There is affordable housing coming up. Then there is commercial buildings that are coming up now. Retail is also not bad in India. So when you look at the holistic view, I think every segment is picking up. Hospitals are doing well, and everything needs vertical transportation, elevator, escalator. So I think we're doing quite well.
You quietly said that about vertical transportation, technology got evolved so fast. Today it is not just vertical transportation, people look at it as from a more aesthetic perspective. How it is getting evolved from that angle, sir?
So you're actually right. When we at KONE looked at what the customer needs, he needs a lot of variety in aesthetics. He needs a lot of different designs inside the car, what we call is where you actually are on an elevator. So when you look at it, we at KONE designed 34 designs for the customer they can choose from. That's the aesthetic part. And they have to be now beautiful because people want to pay money for a good elevator. Elevator, one, it should be very safe, which is what we try to do. Secondly, it also needs to look nice because it's become a necessity now when people come in, especially if you're at home or residence. Thirdly, the quality has to be very good and maintenance has to be very good. Fourth thing, for safety, I'd say that with the technology that's evolved, people are looking at 24/7 connected services. At KONE, we have 24/7 connected services, which means we connect the elevator and we remotely manage it and monitor it. So we know what's going to go wrong in the future through IoT, right? And we fix it even before anything fails. So there are no issues in the elevator at all. So before anything happens, we are able to fix it. The customer never actually sees the elevator having a problem. So I think that's the kind of technology, IoT, artificial intelligence these days. They're going to be very good for the...
So you are utilizing this kind of technologies effectively for safety aspect of elevators?
Yes, absolutely. Because for us, safety comes before everything else. Even before the business, I say the safety. Because if you are safe, the business is safe, right? So
when we talk about the safety, especially when a project starts, in earlier scenarios, people were reluctant to involve elevator professionals in the stage of planning. How do you see it is getting...
It's completely changed now because elevator professionals not only help with safety, but they also help you with planning how many elevators would be required, what is the best traffic flow. Sometimes we recommend lesser number of elevators but a higher technology for better people flow. The DCS, Destination Control System, tells you where to go. You don't have to stand in the queue for elevators now. So there is a good optimization and best people flow. That's what we do. So these days the developers get you involved right in the beginning. So do the consultants.
Irrespective of the licensing practices, still we find so many elevators which are of old generation in play. What kind of strategies or regulations required to replace that market?
So there is a Lift Act already in place. Some states follow it, some don't. So it is important that there is this uniform Lift Act is followed across the country. Okay, and that is very important because it sets a minimum standard for elevators. If the elevator is very, very old, you need to get a modification done, modernization done, or you need to replace it. So that's important.
So how far it is adaptable to modernize existing elevator systems into latest technology?
Very easy. You can always do it. You can change some components, modernize it so that it's safe. But a lot of these times, very old elevators, people want to actually completely replace also. And that's also easy. So it can be replaced. Then this 24/7 connected services that KONE offers, we can put it in existing elevators. It's not only the new ones. So even the existing people, they said, why can't our elevators be connected? We said, we'll connect you. Safety is our job, right? So we'll connect you.
Absolutely.
That's what.
Okay, and what is expected in the coming
Same. It's going to be, I think it will be good. We're growing quite fast. We're adding a lot of resources to ensure that the customer is looked after, the installation is right, the service is right. We've had a good growth. We've grown faster than the industry, so it's been very nice for us. And we're very happy that the industry is doing so well and we're able to launch a lot more technology for our customers.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for interacting with us.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Good to see you, sir. Thanks a lot.